Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with my friends Lily, and today we are going to be doing a squishy review. We've got this box of squishies. Some of it's not squishies, but I'm going to take the things that are not squishies out, and hopefully we can live. Okay, that's basically all. So we're going to be I'm going to go first and show one. Slide down here, she'll do one, and then I'll walk around here and keep on doing it. So I'm going to pick one. Okay, so first I've got this, and it's got rainbow out of it. It's like a cup, got a cute face on. It smells really good. That's good. It's good. Okay, your turn. Okay.
So I have this unicorn cake thing, squishy majiggy, and it's really cool squishy stuff.
Okay, so I'm back with me. Now it's this cute little unicorn, right? It's really cute. It's so squishy. I got it from Smiggle, and it's really good. It's really squishy. And yeah, that's all. And it's all the squishies. This is LOL squishy. So, so just little whispers there, and I've got this cute little unicorn, and it's like in a rubber ring, and it smells so good, really good. And yeah, that's all. Oh no! Lily's just picking her squishy.
Six of all, this is strawberry rainbow strawberry scented. Very cool.
So here we have, it's like this little bunny. It looks like a bit like Hello Kitty. She's got this ice cream with her, which I think is kind of cute. And this is really squishy. It takes ages to strawberries. So yeah, moving on to Lily.
This is what's this?
Galaxy deer.
Like a galaxy deer thing. Yeah.
I am back. So on here I've got this little llama, and it's so cute. It's pink and really squishy because it's cute and small, so I'll be taking this to play with if I ever go anywhere. Which is cute. Oh, because it's just cute and small and you can do anything with it. So moving on to Lily.
So this is like frappuccino. It's like a real.
Moving on to floor. So next we've got that one. Next we've got these cute fries, and it's like really cute. It's got cute quiet eyes. So if you want to pause this and draw it, here you go. There's enough time. It's really squishy. I love it so much. Looks kind of orange fries, but never mind. Moving on to Lily.
So I'm here with another strawberry with legs and arms. And this is what you don't see every day. Moving on to floor.
So here we have this cute little burger. It's like really cute, and it goes with the fries that I showed before. And it's like a little kitty cat, and it's got It's got tomato, lettuce, a burger, cheese, and another like kind of beef thing. Really good, squishy and cute. Moving on to Lily.
I'm back, and it's another burger thing. It has the bun, the tomato, the cheese, the thing where you put in burger, and lettuce, and a really cute puffy face with whatever that is on top. I'm not sure what that is.
Woo! So here we have another unicorn. And it's so cute and squishy. I love it so much. So yeah, that's basically everything.
Next is this cute galaxy kind of bird with, yeah, that's really it.
Okay. So welcome back. So this, I have this cute little like mint choc ice cream. It's like squishy. It's not that squishy. It's kind of hard. It's not that squishy. So, but yeah. Anyway, still good. Maybe not do Lily.
Next is this witch. I don't understand why it's green. And with purple hair and a nice hat. And it's really squishy.
Now for the final one, Lily is going to be in this one with me.
Yeah.
This is the biggest one I've got, and I think it's so cute. And it is this. It's like a unicorn. It's like really cute unicorn, kawaii unicorn on this really quite pink moon, and it's got a big face on it. And I think it's like really, really cute. So basically, that's every single squishy that I have. And I think they're really good because they're nice and squishy. And like if you're stressed, it's a good idea to do that because we don't that's when you're stressed, you just kind of squish something instead of hurting somebody. And I think it's just really good. So you put yours in. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, turn post notifications on, and watch your comments. What is your favourite animal? What's your favourite animal? And thank you guys for watching, and peace out.